Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you the story of Barn Owl. High in the corner of the barn owl sits and waits. She has been sitting on her eggs for nearly a month. Sometimes during the day, her mate sits beside her. When she's hungry, he brings her food. At last, she feels something move beneath her. She stands and looks down at her eggs. They are white and oval, smaller than a hen's eggs. Last night there were 5, but now there are 4. Next to them, she sees a small white mold. The barn owl pops her head up and down. She looks at her new baby. He has tiny white feathers called down. They are wet now, but soon they will dry and become fluffy. His face is heart-shaped like his mother's. His eyes are closed. His beak is curved. On the end of his beak is a special tooth, an egg tooth. The owlet used it to break open his shell. It will fall off soon, for he no longer needs it. His ears are opening in its head, hidden under feathers. At the end of each toe is a sharp hook. It is called a talon. One day he will use his talons for hunting. One talon has a very rough edge. He will use it to comb his feathers. The end.